Hi everyone, welcome along to my latest video. You see me arriving in a bus here. This is a bus, it's a free courtesy bus from the Garland Hotel in North Hollywood. And today I'm going to take you around City Walk at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that. If you've been to City Walk in LA at Hollywood Studios, let me know, leave it in the comments below. If you could also hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel as it helps the channel, that would be great as well. It doesn't cost anything, and I'll see you on the next video when I continue my American adventure. Bye for now.